Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So before going to lesson, like, share, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. So let us go to the second phylum, Cnidaria. Coelenterata. It is a tissue and the radial body plan. It is a radial body plan. Cnidarians previously called as coelenterates. They are aquatic, mostly marine. There are two types like solitary and colonial. They are free swimming. It is a radial symmetrical animals. The recent name Cnidaria is derived from stinging cells. Remember, it is derived from stinging cells that called as cnidoblast or cnidocytes. Cnidocytes or cnidoblasts are present mostly on the tentacles and on the body. It is present mostly in tentacles and the body. Cnidoblasts are used for anchorage, defense and capture of prey. They are useful in three ways like anchorage, defense and capture of prey. Cnidarians are the first metazoans and to exhibit the tissue level of the organization. In first phylum, we learned that cellular level of organization, and this is tissue level of organization, and these are also called as diploblastic. They have a central gastrovascular cavity. It has centrovascular cavity. It serves both digestive and circulative function. Meaning gastrovascular cavity. It serves the both digestive and circulatory functions. Coelenterata meaning it means with a single opening. The mouth serves the purpose of injection and egestion, intake of food and remove of the food. There is no anus in this phylum or else in Cnidaria. Digestion is in extracellular and intracellular. Digestion is in both like extracellular and intracellular. Extracellular is in coelentron and intracellular is in nutrition muscular cells of the endoderm. Nervous system is primitive type. In which type? It is in primitive type. And the sensory structure is such as statocytes that is occur in medocyte forms. So Cnidarians show two basic forms. Let us learn the two basic forms. So they are in two basic bodies like poly and medusa. The former in a sessile and cylindrical form like example Hydra, whereas in the latter it is in umbrella shape. You can see in the left side it's some light, so that is in umbrella shape. The inside of the body is like umbrella, and that is very free swimming. Polypid forms produce asexual and polypid forms sexual. Polypid is having sexual and asexual. Asexual reproduction by budding and sexual by zygamy. And the development is indirect, and it includes free swimming ciliated larva called the larvae, which includes the free swimming, is called planula. The examples of the Cnidaria like Physalia, Pennatula, etc. So let us study about the classification of the phylum Cnidaria. So there are three types of classification: class 1, class 2, in class 1 Hydrozoa, class 2 Spozoa, and class 3 Anthozoa. So let us study class 1, class 2, class 3 by pictures. Classification 1. In classification 1, it names Hydrozoa. They may be solitary or colonial. It includes asexual, polypid form, free-swimming, sexual, medusoid. Melasogea is non-cellular. Coelenterone is undivided. It is only occur in ectoderm. The germ cells are divided or derived from the ectoderm. Examples of classification 1 Hydrozoa is Hydra, Physalia. In classification 2, they are commonly referred as the jellyfishes. They possess a large quantity of jelly like Mesoglea. These are solitary and medusoid in form. In classification 2, the mouth is surrounded by 4 oral arms. Coelenteron is divided into 4 chambers and some canals. It occurs in ectoderm and endoderm. Germ cells are divided from endoderm. Example: jellyfish or moonfish. In classification 3, they have two names: Anthozoa, Actinozoa. They are commonly called as sea anemones. These are sedentary. They are only in polypod in form. Coelenteron is divided into several compartments by vertical septa called mesenteries. It contains the connective tissue and it occurs in ectoderm and endoderm. Germ cells are derived from the endoderm. Examples of the classification 3 is Pennatula seapen, precious red stone coral, sea anemone, and sea fan. Today we finished our class. So in next slide we'll study about the another phylum. So until then, take care and subscribe my channel, like and share and support my channel if you like.